Okay, second year, fourth semester, BSc Chemistry and Computer students. In this class, we are going to talk about change in entropy in irreversible process. Change in entropy in irreversible process. So we discussed in previous classes irreversible process. So irreversible process means a process is said to be irreversible when it cannot be retraced back. Cannot be retraced back exactly in the opposite direction. Exactly in the opposite direction. So in this process, heat energy is always used to overcome friction. So some of the examples we can discuss irreversible process. So one is conduction of heat and radiation of heat and diffusion of gas and the production of heat by friction. So these processes are irreversible process because no process. So in this process, so it cannot be retraced back exactly in the opposite direction. That means conduction of heat. Heat conduction is irreversible process or production of heat by friction. If we apply, if we develop heat by the friction, but we cannot develop a frictional force by heat. So that is irreversible. So what is the change in entropy in irreversible cycle? The change in entropy, that means the entropy of the system increase in all irreversible process. The entropy of the system increase in all irreversible process. So some of the examples for irreversible process are in this process, heat energy is always used to overcome friction. So examples of irreversible process are conduction of heat, radiation of heat, diffusion of gas, diffusion, diffusion, diffusion of gas and production of heat by friction. Okay, right. Let me show the change in entropy in irreversible process will increase. So let us consider, let us take the simple irreversible cycle. Q1 be the heat, quantity of heat absorbed by the temperature. Q1 be the heat absorbed by the temperature. At temperature T1. And Q2 is the quantity of heat absorbed, means rejected at temperature T2. Right. So according to efficiency of heat engine, eta is equal to Q1 minus Q2 by Q1. Okay. So efficiency of reversible Carnot engine, that is eta is equal to 1 minus q2 by q1, which is equal to 1 minus t2 by t1. So for irreversible cycle, the efficiency is less than reversible cycle. The efficiency is less than reversible cycle, already we proved in Carnot's theorem. So that means from this condition, q1 minus q2 by q1 is less than 1 minus q2 by q1 or 1 minus t2 by t1. That means 1 minus q2 by q1 is less than 1 minus t2 by t1. This implies q2 by q1 greater than t2 by t1. This implies q2 by t2 greater than q1 by t1. This implies q2 by t2 minus q1 by t1 greater than 0. q2 by t2 minus q1 by t1 is delta S is greater than 0. This is the change in entropy in irreversible cycle. Irreversible cycle తీసుకున్నాం. సో దీంట్లో q1 హీట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసింది, q1 ఆఫ్ హీట్ టెంపరేచర్, ఏ టెంపరేచర్ దగ్గర, t1 టెంపరేచర్ దగ్గర, అండ్ q2 హీట్ రిజెక్టెడ్ అట్ టెంపరేచర్ t2. అయితే ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఫార్ములా ఈటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు q1 మైనస్ q2 బై q1, జనరల్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, that is irreversible, efficiency in irreversible. So efficiency in irreversible process according to Carnot's engine, eta is equal to 1 minus q2 by q1, so can be written as 1 minus t2 by t1 in terms of temperature. According to Carnot's theorem, no engine is more efficient than reversible engine. That means the efficiency of reversible engine is more than the efficiency of irreversible engine. So q1 minus q2 by q1 is less than 1 minus t2 by t1. So 1 minus q2 by q1 less than 1 minus t2 by t1. So 1 1 cancelled. Minus ఇక్కడ minus q2 by q1 less than minus t2 by t1. కాబట్టి q2 by q1 greater than t2 by t1. That means q2 by t2, interchange of their terms in the denominator and the numerators. q2 by t2 greater than q1 by t1, then q2 by t2 minus q1 by t1 greater than 0, then delta S is equal to 0. That is change in entropy in irreversible process. Okay, thank you students. Prepare well.